Hey, this is Jason with Preview Construction, coming to you today from Southlake, Texas, where we're working on a project where we removed exterior brick on a home, and we're installing Anderson windows and doors and Nichiha fiber cement siding. As you can see here, we've got our Anderson 100 series black fixed windows, um, and we've got this block style fiber cement Nichiha siding. It's an interesting siding. It's a little bit different than James Hardie. It's a lot thicker. It's 5/8 inch thick versus around a 1/4 inch thick for James Hardie, and it comes in these block patterns and also some wood patterns, which I'll show you here in a moment. We've also got on this project some precast corners. You can see that these corners come manufactured to match the panels, so it doesn't require aluminum trims or traditional 1x4s like James Hardie siding. So the panels are actually larger block style, so these will come in 6, 8, 10 feet, and then they'll be 18 inches tall. And you basically just stack them up like Legos. So as you start to get to the top, you use these clip systems that you see way up here. Can't really get a good shot of that, but it'll have a clip basically that holds it to the wall and creates a gap between the building paper and the back side of the fiber cement itself to allow water to drain. And then that water will actually drain behind the panel and then out through this starter flashing here at the bottom. Really neat project. It's used a lot commercially. This is our first residential job that we've done, and it's turning out really nicely. I'll attach a picture of the original home, and then I'll take a picture of the progress we've made thus far, so you can kind of see how this turns out. So you can see the wood material up here. So this is also fiber cement. Looks a lot like wood. I've got a panel over here I'll show you, so you can see some of that texture. So this would be one of the wood panels, and as you can see, it comes in this kind of like 3-layered, almost like a V-groove product. But yeah, super neat. 5/8 inch thick, so you can actually see some of the thickness on that. So it's pretty heavy stuff. Takes 2 guys to get it up there. But again, it's going to be a really interesting project. Really neat transformation for this customer. We're really looking forward to doing this on more projects. Going to kind of do a sweeping view here for you guys of the progress we've made thus far. You can see we've got a lot of the block material up. Redoing this front column, front porch as well. We've got some of the vintage wood, the Nichiha wood material in the soffits. You can see we've got this gable wall here up on top of the roof done, and the poplar material looks real good. And then this wall is going to be a little bit more representation of how the whole thing will look when we're completed. So over here we've got the Nichiha block siding, the Anderson 100 series windows. We've got the poplar, Nichiha poplar in the soffit, and then we've got the James Hardie fascia that we'll paint.